On campus, needs tend to pop up. The need to email, the need to scan, the need to retrieve docs, the need to print. How do you handle the workload? Ricoh has the solution. Walking through campus, you'll notice Ricoh multifunctional printers. Look for one with the eye-catching identifier. These printers are Ricoh Cloud-enabled, launching you to your favorite applications. Begin by selecting the Cloud Apps icon on the display panel. From here, you can choose your task. Scan to email or Dropbox, print, even scan into Blackboard Learn. Let's focus on Blackboard Learn. Select the Blackboard Scan to Learn icon. Sign in using your cloud credentials provided. Your scans will be saved within Blackboard Learn, making it simple for you to move documents to an assignment for easy access. So, what if you need to print? Within Blackboard Learn, you can choose which documents you would like to print to any cloud-enabled printer across campus. Just select the Print Cloud icon, enter your release code, and collect your documents.